Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today, we are going to continue lesson number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Let's start. Today, we are going to solve word problems based on multiplication. Children, this is Karunya, the contractor. Karunya has kept the work to prepare 3 gardens as shown in the given figure. We can see that garden A has length 27 meters and breadth 28 meters. Garden B has length 36 meters and breadth 12 meters. Garden C has length 27 meters and breadth 19 meters. Now we are supposed to find the area of all these 3 gardens. Children, do you remember the formula for finding area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. And remember, all these 3 gardens are also rectangle. Area of garden A is length multiplied by breadth. That is 27 multiplied by 28. Now 8 sevens are is 56. Put 6 down, 5 carry. 8 twos are is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Now 2 is in tens place. So put a 0 down. 2 sevens are is 14. Carry 1. 2 twos are is 4 plus 1 is 5. Now add these two numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 2 plus 5 is 7. So area of garden A is 756 square meters. Area of garden B is length multiplied by breadth, that is 36 multiplied by 12. Children, we all know 12's table. So directly we will multiply 36 with 12. So 12 6 are is 72. Put 2 down, 7 carry. 12 3s are is 36 plus 7 is 43. So the area of garden B is 432 square meters. Now let us find area of garden C. Length multiplied by breadth, that is 27 multiplied by 90. Now 9 sevens are is 63. 3 down, 6 carry. 9 twos are is 18 plus 6 is 24. Now 1 is in tens place, so put 0 down. 1 sevens are is 7, 1 twos are is 2. Now we'll add these two numbers. 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 7 is 11. Put 1 down, 1 carry, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So area of garden C is 513 square meters. Now Karunya, the contractor, has levied different charges for different gardens. He has kept the work of garden A at the rate of rupees 95 for a square meter. Garden B at the rate of rupees 110 for 1 square meter and garden C at the rate of rupees 120 for 1 square meter. Now children, we have to find how much amount will he get from the work of all these 3 gardens. Children, already we have found the area of garden A It is 756 square meters. For Garden A, Karunya has charged rupees 95 for 1 square meter. So for 756 square meters, how much amount will he get? We will use cross multiply and divide method. So we will multiply 756 with 95. 6 5s are 30, put 0 down, 3 carry, 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is 28. Put 8 down, 2 carry, 7 5s are is 35 plus 2 is 37. 9 is in the tens place, so put 0 down. 9 6 are is 54, put 4 down, carry 5. 9 5 are is 45 plus 5 is 50, put 0 down, carry 5. 9 7 are is 63, plus 5 is 68. Now we will add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 4 is 12. Put 2 down, carry 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Put 1 down and carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So, he will get rupees 71,820 for the work of Garden A. Children, we have also found the area of Garden B. It is 432 square meters. For Garden B, Karunya has charged rupees 110 for 1 square meter. So for 432 square meters, how much amount will he get? Using cross multiply and divide, we will multiply 432 with 110. In 110, the last digit is 0. Children, we don't have to multiply any number with 0 because we know that any number multiplied by 0 gives 0 only. So we will start to multiply with 1. So since 1 is in tens place, put 0 down. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Now this one is in hundreds place. So put 2 zeros down. Now 1 2s are is 2, 1 3s are is 3, 1 4s are is 4. Now add these both numbers. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 3 7 and put this 4 down. So he will get rupees 47,520 for the work of Garden B. We have also found the area of Garden C. It is 513 square meters. For Garden C, Karunya has charged rupees 120 for 1 square meter. So for 513 square meters, how much amount will he get? Using cross multiply and divide method, multiply 513 with 120. Now children, here also last digit is 0. So no need to multiply 0 with any number. So we will start to multiply with 2. Now since 2 is in tens place, put 1 0 down. 2 3s are is 6, 2 1s are is 2, 2 5s are is 10. Now with 1. Now since 1 is in hundreds place, put 2 0 down. 1 3s are is 3, 1 1s are is 1, 1 5s are is 5. Now add these both numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 3 5, 0 plus 1 1, 5 plus 1 6. So Karunya the contractor will get rupees 61,560 for the work of Garden C. Children, we have already seen that Karunya the contractor will get rupees 71,820 for the work of garden A, rupees 47,520 for the work of garden B, and rupees 61,560 for the work of garden C. Now we will add all these three amounts. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. Put 0 down, carry 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19. So put 9 down, carry 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Put 0 down, carry 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. So, Karunya the contractor will get rupees 1,80,900 for the work of all three gardens, garden A, garden B and garden C. Now next question is, did Karunya the contractor get more than a lakh of rupees? Answer is yes. He got rupees 1,80,900, which is more than a lakh of rupees. That is, which is more than 1 lakh rupees. Children, this is Tulasi and this is her husband. Both work with Karunya. Karunya pays rupees 225 to Tulasi for 1 day and rupees 258 to her husband for 1 day. Now the question is, if Tulasi works for 49 days, how much money does she get? Answer, for 1 day, Tulasi gets rupees 225. So for 49 days, how much money she will get? Using cross multiply and divide, we will multiply 225 with 49. 9 5s are is 45, put 5 down, 4 carry, 9 2s are 18, plus 4 is 22, put 2 down, 2 carry, 9 2s are again 18, plus 2 is 20. Now since 4 is in tens place, put 0 down, 4 5s are is 20, put 0 down, 2 carry, 4 2s are is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, put 0 down, carry 1, 4 2s are is again 8, plus 1 is 9. Now we will add these both numbers. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 9 is 11. So Tulasi gets rupees 11,025 for 49 days. Now if Tulasi's husband work for 42 days, how much money does he get? Now as we know, Karunya gives Tulasi's husband rupees 258 for 1 day. So for 42 days, how much money will he get? Using cross multiply and divide, we will multiply 258 with 42. Now 2 8s are is 16, put 6 down, carry 1. 5 2s are 10, plus 1 is 11, put 1 down, carry 1. 2 2s are is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now since 4 is in tens place, put 1 0 down. 8 4s are is 32, put 2 down, 3 carry. 5 4s are 20, plus 3 is 23, put 3 down, 2 carry. 4 2s are is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Now we will add these both numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 2 is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 0 will put down same as it is, 1 also will put down same as it is. So Tulasi's husband gets rupees 10,836. for 42 days. Next question is, find the money they both, Tulasi and her husband, earn together. We have found out that Tulasi gets rupees 11,025, whereas Tulasi's husband gets rupees 10,836. Now add these both numbers. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Put 1 down, carry 1. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. 8 plus 0 8. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 2. So Tulasi and her husband, they both earn together rupees 21,861. Now children, we have to find who will earn more, Tulasi or her husband? Children, we have found out that Tulasi earns rupees 11,025, whereas Tulasi's husband earns rupees 10,836. So naturally, Tulasi earns more than her husband. Next question is, if Tulasi works for more 5 days and her husband work for less 4 days, then how many rupees will they earn? Children, it is already given that Tulasi works for 49 days. And if Tulasi works for 5 more days, that is 49 plus 5 gives 54 days. Then how much rupees will she earn? Let us find out. For 1 day, Tulasi gets rupees 225. So for 54 days, how much money will she get? Using cross multiply and divide, we will cross multiply 225 with 54. 4 5s are is 20, put 0 down, to carry. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10, put 0 down, 1 carry. 4 2s are 8, plus 1, 9. Now 5 is in tens place, so put 0 down. 5 5s are 25, put 5 down, 2 carry. 5 2s are 10, plus 2 12, put 2 down, carry 1. 5 2s are 10, plus 1 11. Now we will add both of these numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 9 plus 2 11. Put 1 down, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then copy this 1 down. So Tulasi will earn rupees 12,150 for 5 more days. That is total for 54 days. Now we will find how much Tulasi's husband will earn if he works for less 4 days. Children, already 42 days are given. 42 days he works. So 4 days less means 42 minus 4 gives 38 days. For 1 day, Tulasi's husband earns rupees 258. So for 38 days, how much money will he get? So using cross multiply and divide, we will multiply 258 with 38. 8 8s are 64, put 4 down, carry 6. 8 5s are 40, plus 6 is 46, put 6 down, carry 4. 8 2s are 16, plus 4 is 20. Since 3 is in tens place, put 0 down, 3 8s are 24, put 4 down, 2 carry, 3 5s are 15, plus 2 17, put 7 down, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7. Now we will add these both numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, put 0 down, carry 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. So Tulasi's husband will earn rupees 9,804 for 38 days. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.